Hello, Long Yesa. Let's check out my mother-in-law fun yard, and then we're gonna check out the backyard. This is her fun yard right here. Look at this. Nice, right? Nice fun yard, right? And then it look like this, and then right here we go in. Hello.
Hello, Lu.
Hello, Mom. This is my mother-in-law backyard. Let's come closer to look at. She love those things like succulents. I think it's called succulent. And then she has some of this. When they bloom, it's so beautiful every year. And over here, she has some peaches, but it's still small. Small. And this one is like plum. Season is over. Plum. The big tree of plum, sour plum. Those are when the flower blossom is so beautiful. And she have a lot of wild cat that she feed. She feed the cat. And then more tree and more palm tree right here. And she love flowers. And then she's have lemon, and then the season is over, but she have locust, and then you see the dry one, and then this is also plum. You see plum is also done, season over. She got this stuff again. So this is plum, but no more fruit is all done. And then she have this one is, look at her cat right there, the wild cat. She doesn't own the cat, neighborhood cat. She have this one, I believe it's called, I forgot the name. And then over here, we're gonna enter that in a minute. And then she have this one also. Yeah, she is cutlet.
You see a lot of lemon now?
Oh yes, I do see it. And then when you come over here, you will see her flower. Another flower. Right here, and then she have malunggay, and then she have lots of dragon fruit. Mom, you don't have dragon fruit flower this year.
Not yet, because maybe they don't like the way I did it. I put everything inside.
I have a lot of flower, but then it fall down because of the wind.
One,
your
put it in.
Mom, your malunggay you could put on the ground so it can be bigger and taller, and then we can
You
start.
can have it. This one died.
Oh no, this one died. Malunggay
yeah.
died.
You can have it if you want.
But
They're the same. It died.
But if your son is not helping me to put in the ground,
Yeah.
no point for me to take it.
Yeah,
Unless he will
Yeah.
help me.
you're right.
So this year, Mom doesn't have dragon fruit flower.
This one is fig.
We don't know why.
This one is fig tree.
And then the fruit tree,
And this one is avocado.
avocado,
And this one is lime.
lime, avocado.
And the other one died.
Oh no!
Mm-hmm. This one is avocado.
Wow, I was gonna like, oh, I'm gonna make video at Mom. I'm dragon fruit, and then that's how her backyard look like.
And this one is loquat.
The loquat season is over also. So loquat baby.
That one, baby.
Baby, but they don't need two trees. They only have one tree only. Season
Yeah.
over.
There's a baby.
I love your garden, Mom. It's very clean, very nice.
You have a lot of plants too, huh? Look.
You have more than I do. Okay, Mom said thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Bye.